the other side. There she goes. We got a clean 1Z Toyota black for the Camry. The heads are at the machine shop right now. We got the full rebuild kit and the fresh clean black to work on and put everything onto. The crank looks pretty nice. Pretty nice crank. It's only got 100,000 miles on it, this engine. This black and crank, so she's a perfect fit. And boy, does she look good. This thing was so dirty. And now she looks gosh darn brand new. All right, guys, we'll keep you updated. Toyota powered. Vroom.